Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Mami Alona again, signing in sa aking YouTube. Guys, share ko lang sa inyo itong aking acerola cherries. Yan guys, lagi ko pa itong piniplex sa inyo to prove na it's growing better and bigger now. Alam nyo ba guys na this acerola cherry, my acerola cherry, na nagbubunga siya all year round. And every other day, nakakapag-harvest kami sa kanya ng the lowest is half a kilo. Sometimes more than a kilo. Kasi guys, hinahayaan lang namin, isa tinatamad na rin kami. But my family have discovered na napakasarap ganda nito sa katawan. This is supposedly and truly 10 times vitamin C. Kasi sinesearch po namin to sa Google, sabi ni Papa Google. So ginagawa namin, since nagsawa na kami, pinipikil namin to guys, ang sarap. Lalo pa yung pulang-pula siya. Ang sukat ng pagpikil namin sa kanya is 1 teaspoon ng sugar, 1 teaspoon ng 1 spoon. Depende sa dami guys. 1 spoon of sugar and 1 spoon of salt. Yan. Tapos ilagay mo na sa rep. Ang lutong niya. Napakasarap niya talaga guys. And to prove to you na nakaka-harvest kami ng ganito kadami. It's almost every other day. Ayan guys. Fresh na fresh yan guys. We have just picked it this morning lang. Kasi yung sisters ko, since they started na matikman nila to, nagre-request na sila lagi sa akin. Sabi nila, ang sarap nga daw. Dati, they just ignoring it. But nung matikman nila, di sila na yung nangungulit sa akin. Pahingi daw, pahingi. Nag-uunahan pa sila. Ayun, that's all for the day guys. And this is God's blessing. Alam nyo ba, pag nangunguho kami dito, yung mga sobrang taas na, hindi na namin makuha siya. So, I told my partner, hayaan mo na kasi that's for the bird. That's for the birds. Kasi every morning, ang daming huni ng ibon. Sa tuktok nito, nagsisiksikan sila. And I know happy sila. Kaya sinishare ko din sa nature. Because this tree came from nature, so they deserve to have some. That's all for the day. Don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel, Mami A or Mami Alona. God bless everyone. I hope you like my video. Ayan guys yung katawan niya. Ayan. Ayan guys. Tinatanggal na namin yung dahon para magandang mukha siyang umbrella. Ayan guys. Sipag-sipag niya talaga. Hindi mo siya almost makikita yung mga bulaklak niya at saka bunga niya kasi it's green. Kakulay ng dahon niya. But eventually, mapapansin mo na may mga pula-pula na sa taas. It means to say, nahihinog na siya. Ayan guys, Ayan. Diba? Ayan guys, Ayan, ayan. Ayan guys, ganyan sa karami. Kalapad na yung akin tanim. Ayan guys, napakaliit lang na aming space. Pero palibasa yung naalagaan siya ng maayos. We don't have any knowledge of gardening or whatsoever. Pero napalagaan namin siya. Pero siguro it's not because of the passion. Natuwa lang kami talaga. And we start to Google. Yung nalaman namin na ang benefits nito for our health. Ayan guys. Kaya inalagaan namin siya. And to our surprise, nakisama naman siya. And that's all for the day guys. Ayan, ang laki na niya. But before na binili ko to, it's only 3 feet And it costs 1,200. Kasi medyo expensive to at mahirap buhayin. So we're lucky enough to have this one. And that's all for the day. This is Mami Alona. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you learned something from my video. Bye!